Hi, it's Will from Gather. Here's a quick video on how we can start to better categorize worklog variances. So when something changes on site, how do we quickly understand that and categorize it? So first, let's set up the categories. So for those that are using the NEC form of contract, you can link this with clause 60.1. So we can see here we've got the variations in worklog here categories. Some of these will be contractor risks, some of them will be employer risks. We put a standard list in here, but more than welcome to add in your own list and do this based on your Z clauses or based on your form of contract. So going back to our project then, let's have a look at this example project, the foundation installation project. I'm on my laptop today, but you would normally do this on your iPad or mobile device. So if we jump forward to the worklog, we can see here we've got an issue where we've not achieved the quantities. So plan 25, done 12. Why is it different? Well, we've started to give us the reason for variance. So the team on site could use speech to text or just free text that in, however's easiest. And then we've asked them to capture the variance category, in this case, unexpected physical conditions. Take a picture, all that kind of things that go with it in your typical Gather record. The change here is we're asking you to add this category in accordance with your contract. The team on site, we want them to have a go. When it's submitted for approval, we're expecting the QS or the project manager to go in and check that that is right and adjust accordingly. Going back to the record list, we'll be able to see that that has been tagged as well with an early warning, in this case early warning number 77, so link that with CMAR or whatever contract management system that you're using. Gather reports have also been updated to reflect that. The best way I can show you that data is in our updated key insights. Again, this example's got Power BI embedded, and we'll just load that data and have a look at what it means. So you can see here we've got the activity variances. We can see in this tree map which is the biggest issue and its allocated costs. So we can start to see those that have got an early warning tagged, those that have time associated with what's the reduced lost time due to those issues, and how many fall into the either the employer or contractor risk items. Again, completely configurable for your form of contract. We want to make it quick and easy for people to adapt it, suit their project, and just make it super simple to understand where you're at. Have a look at this video, play around on your Gather account, and let us know in the comments of any feedback or how you're using it. Thank you.